The trust, I welcome all my press friends, print as well as electronic media. At the outset, the Kukoli Chieftain Memorial Trust is indebted to Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, and we are very thankful to him for giving our Kukoli revolt national and state recognition. Today we have called this press conference for Kadamba Transport Corporation has organized as part of Azadi Amrit Mahotsav exhibition on the history of India and Goa at Panjim Bus Stand. The Kukoli Chieftain Memorial Trust strongly condemned the glaring mischief played by vested interest to distort the history of Kukoli revolt as it is exhibited at the exhibition. Kukolkar are agitated over the distortion of our history, where it is mention of Kukoli revolt in the exhibition, and I quote, after the revolt at Kukoli, where the chieftains of Kukoli were massacred at Asalna fort by starting its gates, when one of the chieftains managed to escape by jumping in the river Sal through a hole and fleeing to the distant Karwar. Up to this, the history appeared to be correct. However, what is objectable is that in the same history of our revolt it is mentioned, and I quote, following execution of the chieftains, the Hindu Brahmin landlords of Kukoli and neighboring village of Veli, Asalna, Ambili, Baroda refused to pay taxes on the produce generated from their fields and orchards to the Portuguese government, and that as a result their lands were confiscated and entrusted to the condado of the Marquis of Frontier. It is well known and it may be noted, following the massacre of our Kshatriya Desai chieftains, Desai community refused to pay taxes to the Portuguese government, as a result of which the lands of Kshatriya Desai community of Kukoli were confiscated. Following the confiscation of the Kukoli Gamkara land, the Gamkar fought a long legal battle in the courts to get back their land by forming a society of Kshatriya Desai agriculturists called as Sociedad de Agricultura dos Gamkaris de Kukoli Baroda. The battle was not only fought in the courts of Goa but also is Portuguese. The land was initially restored by the courts to the court receiver and thereafter to the Sociedad de Agricultura dos Gamkaris de Kukoli Baroda. We strongly demand immediate correction to this history at the exhibition at Panjim Bus Stand. We also demand to set up an inquiry to look upon the blunder and mischief played by some of the vested interests. We give a stern warning to whoever it may be. If anyone attempts to distort our Kukoli history, Kukoli revolt history, we will not take it lying down. We will go even to the extent of waging a war and repeating our history, revolt history again. Let the exhibition board change bola और ऐसा तो लो तें एग्जिबिशन 10 दीस तरी चालू आहा थंय. आनी दुसरें इन्क्वायरी एक 15 days टायम दिता इन्क्वायरी आनी एक्शन घेवपाक कोण बरोवन तेजें. कित्याक हे मुद्दम हो पॅरेग्राफ मुद्दम घायला, जाण घायला. कित्याक हे बेश्टे आनी थिंगा आतां स्कूल भुरगे येताय ते फोटो कांय सांगचे आमचे कडेन डॉक्युमेंटेशन क्लियर काडा पोर्चुगीज टू प्रूव आमकां प्रूफूय आहा, आमकां तरवारी आहा, पाजून दवरलो आहा तरवार. देखून कोणेंच हेजे मुखार चिंतपा जायना कोकोड काळ आतां थंड पडला म्हणून. आमी देखून आमी एक इतली एक्सटेंडार वचपाक शकता की परते आमी रिपीट करूंक शकता सेम. हे आतां स्टार्ट जालां. ते फंक्शन जालें म्हणटकीर सोशल मिडियाचेर कोणूय येता, कोण चर्चीचेर बरयता, कोण आनी कितें बरयता. सो आमी सगळ्यांक वन करता येता तुगे डॉक्युमेंट घे आनी